This is a mid-1950s Clinton 1600 engine. This one's really nice shape, as you can see. For the most part, this engine's mostly original. The shroud and everything's all original paint, but somebody has touched up like the muffler and stuff. I'm thinking it was probably a dealership display or something like that, so they tried to make it look nice. This one's kind of cool because it's pretty early. It's a base model 1600 and the serial number is only 4 digits, so it's the first 10,000 engines made. I picked this up from a friend in Wisconsin a few weeks ago, and I'm gonna see if I can get it running today. He had it running on brake clean, so it has spark, I know that, but he did not run it on the actual carburetor itself. I figured I'd make a nice short video on it because it looks really nice. It has some beautiful red paint. You don't see engines this color very often anymore. So I'm gonna get it in a little bit more flat ground here so it doesn't wobble so much, and we'll see if we can get her going. So as I said, he had this running on brake clean, so there's no fuel line on it at the moment. So you can see there's the nipple on the carburetor, and somewhere hiding under here is the nipple to the gas tank. So it needs a fuel line. This is some original, it's a little newer than this engine technically, but it's original Clinton brand fuel line. I have a whole roll of it, so I might as well use some of it. So I'm gonna go quick slap that on here and put some fuel in it, see if it runs. Get it. It's about 35 degrees out right now, so I'm not exactly warm. And I just got over a cold, so if I sound funny, that's why. Alright, fuel line installed. You can already tell that fuel line's only been out of my house for about 10 minutes and it's hardly bending because of the cold, so it's quite hard already. So I'm gonna run and get some gas and see if this thing leaks. So I got some gas. Oh, the gasket on the fill cap's still good. That's kind of neat. Inside the tank looks pretty clean. See how much of this comes out the bottom. That should be plenty. Oh yeah, that's plenty for what we're doing today. The bowl filled up already, that's a good sign. And the carburetor ain't leaking everywhere. I'd say we're probably good. Let's see if we can get this thing to fire off here. That was easy. So I'm assuming the reason it's hunting so bad is because of these here. You're supposed to be able to adjust this for your speed and a couple other different things, but if you have this set wrong, it'll try and hunt because it's not finding equilibrium with the spring and the governor. So I'm just gonna take it off here. Just like that. Now that that's unhooked, it should just go right to idle right away, which might work. It just died before, but it might not be warm enough yet. But once it warms up, if this idle's set right, which it might be a little slow, but we'll find out and we'll see how it runs. Wonder if it'll rev. It does rev. This thing runs great. Couldn't be happier with how that turned out.
Let me know if you guys like these shorter form videos like this, where I just do a couple little tweaks to an engine and get it running. I do this quite a bit in my own free time, but I normally do it really quickly just to get stuff knocked out when I have free time. If you like Clinton engine related videos or hit and miss engine related videos, please check out my channel. Maybe even subscribe if you like that kind of content. I try to upload a video every other week, and I'd greatly appreciate it if you did. And I suppose I'll see you in the next video. You have a nice day.